No way, Emma?
Alex? Oh my God. I can't believe this.
Wow, it's been forever. How long has it been?
At least 6 years. You disappeared.
I disappeared? You're the one who moved to another city.
True, but you never called.
You never called either.
Okay. Let's not argue. This is a happy moment.
Absolutely. Sit down. We have a lot to catch up on.
So, tell me, how's life treating you?
Life is good. Busy with work, traveling sometimes, and still trying to figure out adulthood.
Same. Adulting is hard. I miss the old days.
Oh yes. College days were the best. Late night snacks, last-minute assignments, and endless laughs.
I miss those midnight study sessions that turned into gossip sessions.
Study sessions? More like movie marathons.
Hey, we did study, sometimes.
Yeah, sure. And you still owe me for all those times I helped you with math.
Excuse me? I helped you in English. So, we're even.
Fine, so, what are you up to these days?
I work in marketing now. It's fun, but sometimes stressful.
Wow, impressive. So, you're still using that magical power of convincing people?
Oh yes. And what about you? Still obsessed with coffee?
Of course. Coffee is life. What about you? Still addicted to desserts?
Absolutely. Life is too short to skip cake.
Some things never change.
So tell me, are you still into traveling?
Oh yes. I recently visited Spain. It was amazing.
Lucky you. I really want to travel more.
You should. Let's plan a trip together someday.
That sounds awesome. But only if you don't make me wake up at 5 a.m.
No promises.
I knew it.
So, are you still single, or is there a special someone?
Oh, curious, aren't we? Well, I'm single and happy. What about you?
Same here. No rush, enjoying life.
That's the spirit. But seriously, we should not lose touch again.
I agree. Let's exchange numbers right now.
Good idea. And let's plan a proper hangout soon.
Done. But first, let's order something. My treat.
Oh, I like the sound of that. I'll take the most expensive dessert.
Oh no. What have I done?
Too late. No take-backs.
Fine. This reunion is totally worth it.
Same here, Alex. It's so good to see you again.
Likewise. Here's to old friends and new memories.
Cheers to that.